Atlantic Dust Collection really counseled us on all the options available for air filtration units. We told them what we would like to have, and since we have limited space in the shop, we wanted the bulk of the equipment to sit outdoors, so we wanted it built to last. And the Imperial Systems are built like tanks, is what we're told.
The students completely love having that filtration. There's been many a times where we may not cut it on right first thing in the morning when everybody's kind of getting ready and getting their metal together and getting their booths set up and all that, and then next thing you know, I turn around and I've got students, you know, pulling me in left and right. Hey Brett, I need you to do this, I need you to do this, and the next thing I know, all I hear is, cut it on, and I look up, you know, I'm looking up in the air and I'm like, oh man, there's a cloud of smoke up in the top of the shop. I need to run back there and I need to cut that thing on. So as soon as I cut it on, couple minutes go by, smoke's gone, nobody's complaining about it.
When we purchased the CMAXX unit, we made sure that it would have the right amount of CFMs to service both our existing booths and prepare for future growth. We have 40 indoor welding booths right now. We went ahead and had the ductwork installed for 20 more booths, and this would give us the capability to grow as the community demands. And we are at that point. We're about to add those additional 20 booths with our CMAXX unit already hooked up. It's just a matter of actually attaching hoses and vent hoods to the bottom of the welding hose, and we'll be ready to run.
Safety and health are key in any job that you work. I feel like this filtration system actually helps us a lot.
It's literally night and day difference. You would come in and there would be this gray cloud of weld fumes just hanging in the air. I don't go home and hack and wheeze anymore.
Machinery that we have out back that does help us breathe. I don't feel as if I'm being contaminated with fumes or anything like that.
About, like I said, it was about 2.5, 3 years ago I was here before, and we didn't have anything. The only thing we had was a little shop fan up top, which is just your basic normal extractor. It's not nothing major. And then we had our garage bay doors that we would open up, and some of the other doors, and we had fans that were hooked up. But having this new system that y'all came in and put in my opinion, I think it's a great thing. But they do really enjoy that thing being on, and you know, and of course we all know in welding safety, that's one of our hazards is smoke, you know, because we're breathing in all those fumes, not necessarily just from the rod, but also from the material we're burning. So in my opinion, that filtration system was probably the best thing the school could have ever done.